Here is how to send disappearing photo or media on WhatsApp. For that, you need to launch your WhatsApp application on your mobile device, log into your account. Then after, go to the chat where you want to send disappearing photo or any media, videos, or etc. Now tap on this link icon over here. From the menu that appears, tap on gallery, or you can also take a snap or instant photo. Select the photo you want to send and tap on this pencil icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Now tap on this icon beside add a caption, which is a verb the send option. Go ahead and tap on that. And you can see that the photo is set to view once. Once done, tap on this arrow icon, which is highlighted in blue circle. Go ahead and tap on it, and the photo will be sent. Now, when the other person receives the photo or media that you have sent and they open it, they can only view it once. Once they've closed the photo, they can't reopen it and it will be completely disappeared from the chat. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. This is how you can go ahead and send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.